Most people believe illness begins when symptoms appear. Pain, fever, weakness, dizziness, these are the signals we have been trained to wait for. But modern science has quietly broken that rule. Today, machines are learning to detect disease long before the human body cries for help. What once sounded like science fiction is now becoming everyday medical reality. And the most shocking part is this. The device predicting your illness may already be on your wrist. Your body is constantly sending signals: heart rate patterns, breathing rhythms, skin temperature changes, oxygen levels, sleep quality, stress responses. Individually, these signals mean very little, but when artificial intelligence analyzes them together, over days, weeks, and months, patterns begin to emerge that humans cannot see. AI does not wait for pain. It watches deviation. It notices when your normal quietly changes, even if you feel completely fine. Wearable devices such as smartwatches and health bands are no longer simple fitness trackers. They have evolved into continuous biological monitoring systems. Every heartbeat you take, every breath you draw, every restless night you experience becomes data. Artificial intelligence compares this data with millions of other biological profiles, learning what early disease actually looks like before symptoms exist. Researchers have already demonstrated that AI can detect irregular heart rhythms days before a heart attack occurs. Subtle changes in resting heart rate and heart rate variability, changes too small for humans to notice, can signal cardiovascular stress. In some documented cases, individuals were warned of serious heart conditions even though they felt perfectly healthy. That warning gave them time, and time saved their lives. Diabetes, once considered a slow and silent disease, is now being detected at its earliest biological shifts. AI systems analyze glucose trends, sleep disruption, fatigue markers, and metabolic responses. Long before blood sugar reaches dangerous levels, the system recognizes the trajectory. Instead of reacting to disease, medicine begins to intercept it. Even respiratory illnesses leave fingerprints before symptoms appear. Changes in breathing patterns, oxygen saturation, and nighttime respiration can indicate infections days in advance. During global health crises, AI-powered wearables demonstrated the ability to identify illness before fever or cough emerged. This completely changes how disease prevention works, not just for individuals but for entire populations. What makes this technology revolutionary is not just prediction, it is personalization. Traditional medicine is based on averages. AI medicine is based on you. Your body becomes its own reference point. The system learns your baseline health and alerts you when something deviates, even slightly. This means early warnings are tailored, precise, and increasingly accurate over time. Doctors are now integrating AI-generated insights into clinical decision-making. Instead of waiting for lab results or visible symptoms, they receive predictive health reports that highlight risks before damage occurs. This shifts healthcare from reactive treatment to proactive prevention, reducing hospitalizations, lowering costs, and most importantly, saving lives. The ethical conversation around this technology is intense. Questions about data privacy, surveillance, and digital health ownership are growing louder, but at the same time, the potential benefits are undeniable. A future where heart attacks, strokes, and chronic diseases are predicted rather than discovered could redefine human lifespan itself. This is not a distant future. This is happening quietly, globally, and faster than most people realize. The watch on your wrist may already know more about your health trajectory than your last medical checkup. The difference is that one waits for sickness, and the other watches for change. The real question is no longer whether machines can predict illness. The real question is how ready we are to listen when they warn us before it's too late. On FutureWay, this is the path we explore, where technology meets the human body, where artificial intelligence reshapes survival, and where the future of health is no longer about curing disease but preventing it before it begins.